to go. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her.
Excuse me, we're all takeout here. So sorry. You knew. You know what we all up here for. Good morning, YouTube. Happy holidays. It's Thanksgiving and I'm hosting for the very first time, and y'all, I'm so excited. Dom and I just moved into a house not too long ago, so it's our first time hosting Thanksgiving. And what started as a smile get together quickly grew rapidly, but I'm okay with that. I'm totally okay with that. Usually we go to his grandmother's house for Thanksgiving, but babe just said he's like you want to do something at the house. So I was like, don't tempt me with a good time, because baby, I likes to host. I'm the hostess with the mostest, okay? We did some grocery shopping earlier today, as y'all saw, but I still don't have everything, so I have to come to another grocery store. And so I'm gonna kind of scarf this down real quick, go in here and get these last like 3 things, and then I have to go pick up the main dishes, the protein, from this like barbecue place. It's really, really good. We're getting this smoked turkey, y'all. This, hold on. Mouth got juicy just think about this smoked turkey. And we doing a little non-traditional. We're gonna get smoked turkey and we're gonna get some ribs. They have this really good mac and cheese, and then all the other sides we making a peach cobbler, honey. We're gonna have some yams, beans, green, you name it. We're gonna have all that. We're gonna have some yams, we're gonna have mac and cheese, we're gonna have some dressing, not stuffing, dressing. I just pulled up to the barbecue spot, right? Y'all, it's already a line at the door. It's 9:30. They don't open up till 11. Y'all, it's at least 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 people already in line. I'm hoping some of them people came together. So we finna jump in this line, and I ain't never waited in the cold for no daggone meat. This is wild. Okay, somebody just jumped in line. I gotta go.
Not that I don't want you
the funniest thing to me is to watch somebody try to skip a line and act oblivious to what they doing. Because them people was calling folks out left and right. Excuse me, we're all takeout here. Yeah, the line's back. It starts back there. Oh. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You knew. You know what we all up here for. And if you don't know, ask somebody. Versus looking crazy when you get to the front and then you politely have to go 30, 40 people back.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day.
Alright, y'all, done running all the errands in preparation for Thanksgiving. Just put everything up. Oh, y'all, look, I love my little sign. It's a little touch of holiday. So I just got a deep clean. Yeah, that's what today is pretty much gonna consist of. So, cause you know when you clean, you gotta listen to some music, right? Baby, I loves me some Victoria Monet. Sis got bars. She said, I'm so deep in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. Let that marinate. You get an instant image of your grandmama in church digging her purse at the bottom. It's always a peppermint at the bottom of the bag. Always. If you know, you know.
Tell me, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go.
The house is spotless. I changed linens. Yeah, we did all the things today. I just got out the shower and I want to do a mask tonight. And I just washed my face with La Roche-Posay. So she's prepped and ready. Shout out to my girl Nikki, who I'm gonna link her video down below. She put me on to the Cosmetic company store. High-end, really good makeup product lines are in there. MAC is in there, Estee Lauder is in there. You get it for a fraction of the price. If you guys want to see what I got from there, let me know. But in that bag, they gave me, oh, Origins is also in there. They gave me this Clear Improvement Rich Purifying Charcoal Mask. Hope you guys can see it. It's a little sample, so I actually want to do this mask. I've never used it before, but I'm in search of a good mask to add to my skincare routine. So we gonna see what she do. We're gonna see what she do. Y'all, this smells so good. It's like, it almost smells minty, but it's a very thick consistency. I like that. It's a charcoal mask, but yeah. Now we might need to go back and get the bottle. I feel it tingling and I like that. That means it's doing something. It's actually got some like gold shimmers. The camera's kind of picking it up a little bit. I like that, but I do feel a little tingle, nothing crazy, nothing irritating, nothing like burning or anything like that. But it says to leave this on for 5 minutes and then rinse it real good. And then let me know if you guys want to see the rest of my skincare routine too, because I struggle with hormonal acne thanks to PCOS. I roll my eyes because I'm happy I figured out what's going on and why certain symptoms and things I've been experiencing lately, especially since I'm in my 30s now. But it's good to know that it's PCOS and that I can treat it, but it means I can't eat a lot of the things that I love to eat. I'm gonna eat them tomorrow, but after that I need to really come to terms with what I'm doing in terms of my diet and other things. So yeah, let's say carbs, pastas, dairy. We gonna talk about it later, y'all. That's a whole nother sensitive topic for me right now, but it's okay. I'm glad I know what's causing the breakouts. I'm glad I know what's causing me to retain weight and feel fatigue and all of the things that you hear and see about PCOS. If you want another video about my PCOS journey, let me know. Kind of new to it, so we can figure it out together. I know there's some girls out there that are struggling with it, and I would really love to find a community of us so we can share our stories, our remedies, the things that we've tried. Fertility, because that's another side effect of PCOS is infertility issues. I'm not saying that you can't have a baby, but you just gotta do things a little different to make it happen. I eat change your diet. I already work out, that ain't a problem. I like going to the gym. Y'all, I'm a foodie. Y'all finna see when I slay in this kitchen. I'm finna make a peach cobbler. That's like my favorite dessert. You mean to me I can't eat my peach cobbler no more? We're gonna figure it out, because I'm gonna figure out a way to still enjoy food, but also be respectful to my dietary needs. So we can figure that out together. So yeah. Let me set this timer and wash this off my face, and then me and mom are finna make the peach cobbler, probably make the cornbread for the cornbread dressing, because what's Thanksgiving without the dressing? Not stuffing. Dressing.
Way to go. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Have to go say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Know you're trying to leave this. I saw the dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, you just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say
Thanksgiving. Happy gabble gobble day. As y'all saw, the peach cobbler is done. The cornbread is done for the dressing. We diced up the celery and the onions last night. So really today, all we need to do is assemble the dressing, put all the ingredients together. Look, let me tell you something about me. I do not play when it comes to Thanksgiving meals being prepared on time. Dude, do not tell me food gonna be ready at 3 and I get there, food not even done cooking. I start hitting up my Rolodex and trying to figure out who I already eaten and figure out where I'm gonna go get my plate, because I cannot stand when somebody tell me dinner gonna be served at 3, dinner ain't served till 6. I just want everything to be good. I want to make sure people are eating when they need to eat, because we got some diabeticals in the family, and you know how I don't need nobody blood sugar dropping on me today. Look at these guns. Oh, y'all see the cut? Oh, y'all see the cut? That's for rolling dough, baby. Young girl rolling that dough. Shout out to all the bakers out there, because y'all some real ones. For real. This is my first time making dressing from scratch, and so my mama's helping me. I know everything gonna taste good, because like the saying goes, as long as it's made with love, baby, it's gonna taste good. It's gonna taste good, that and seasoning. It'll be alright. Alright, y'all. Thanksgiving was a success. The food was so good. It was delicious. I just woke up. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I just woke up, but I wanted to jump back on here and say happy holidays from me and mine to you and yours. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm finna go watch Equalizer 3 and then let it watch me. Bye, y'all.